Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the magnetic door plunger in an LG washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open out the package, you're going to get instructions, the magnetic door plunger, and the spring. The magnetic door plunger is mounted at the bottom of the door. It allows air circulation to keep the inner basket vented and prevents moisture buildup. If the tabs on the sides of the plunger breaks, the plunger won't stay in place, causing the door to close all the way. For this job, we're going to make a special tool. We're going to use a paper clip, a hammer, and a hard surface, let's say another larger hammer. So we're going to straighten up the paper clip. I'll leave just one last elbow bend. And then we're going to hammer it flat. All right, now we're going to bend at the end. And then using this interesting tool, we're going to remove the old part. Let's start with opening the door. And then we need to get on the floor because that plunger is right there. Press in the door plunger slightly and insert that tool on the top, right at 12 o'clock. There's a tab down there, so we're going to go against the tab, press it down, and see if we can release the button. Here we go. There's a tab on the top and a tab on the bottom. By pressing one of the tabs, we released that magnetic door plunger. This is the old magnetic door plunger next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. All right, let's place the spring inside the plunger, the tapered end in. It's supposed to stay in because of the magnet. And then we're going to insert that plunger in with these tabs at 6 and 12 o'clock. That's it, the tabs are locked. Now we can close the door and see if it works. As you can see, the plunger is holding the door ajar. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.